First started using alcohol when I was 10 years old. Started using other drugs at 11 and began hard drugs at 12 years old due to I was raised by my older sister who had a drug problem herself. I
used to have a job when I was like 12. I worked as a kitchen hand after school and on weekends, and I earned about $170 and about a week, and I used to go and buy drugs with that, about $140 worth of drugs, and on the way back I would sell that half of that $140 worth of drugs to make my money back. And then I would, you know, go home and do some shopping and then see if I had enough money left, I'd buy more drugs and make money off them so that I had money to live on.
I got charged with a number of things, and when my excuse for all the things was due to substance use, instead of sending me directly towards the court, he sent me to YSAS. Said that it'd be a good idea and good for me, and it might keep me out of prison. There's a lot of kids would be straight out homeless if it wasn't for being in a service like YSAS and being shown where the avenues are. So without showing them the dangers that they're actually associating with and the risk-taking behaviour, a lot of them can and will go on to die or end up incarcerated.
Young people that access YSAS they don't have very many protective factors. So lots of young people have the support of their family, their friends, they're engaged in education and training. Some of them do have mental health issues, but the clients that we engage with have so many risk factors.
And the fact is, in dealing with drugs and alcohol, you also deal with crime, suicide, overdoses, things like that.
So the services that we offer and provide, one, assist young people with their primary and physical health, link them into support services and assist them with developing support structures that will hopefully follow them throughout their lives.
The YSAS, what I like most about them is that they actually are good at sort of profiling you and then profiling a worker that suits you. And I ended up with Serena, and she helped me so much through my hard times, my struggles, and also with learning to be less harmful with my drug use towards myself. And I guess sort of actually helped me find stepping stones to a future where I now work at a research facility, which is the Burnet Institute, and I'm sort of on my way to finding placement to become a drug and alcohol worker.
Because it's very much a holistic and a trust building thing. It's very personal. It's not a list of, okay, this is what you need to do and you'll be fine. It's very much relationship. And you know, you can come back any time, and even if your life's running just rough, you don't have to be completely destroyed and in the gutter. You can still come back, and it's the one place where you know you'll be treated as a person, not as a statistic or a crim, a junkie, whatever. You'll get treated with respect and dignity and trust.
I just sort of feel like if it wasn't for YSAS and my granddad, really, I wouldn't have the stability that I've had over the last 4 years to be able to do what I've done. They've just sort of opened up doors that have brought the world to my feet, you know, and instead of me being, you know, here and the world being up here, I'm standing looking over it.